So my setup is 3 computers, 4 monitors with one mission to run all of my businesses using AI. So I'm going to break down every single piece of equipment that I use here, what it costs, why I have it, and exactly how I use Claude AI to operate this studio every single day. And I'm going to start from the beginning because I didn't start here. I started with a MacBook Air. That's it. No studio, no monitors, no command center, just a laptop and some ideas. So everything I'm about to show you was built over time as my income grew. And I want you to understand that before we get into any of this, because I don't want you watching this video thinking that you need all of this to start. You don't. You just need a laptop and Claude. That's where it all begins. This is just where it ends when you build something real. Now let me show you what I got.
So this is my entire setup and I'll explain everything. So this is the MacBook that I originally started with, okay? So right here we have a Mac Mini. I have 3 total computers on this setup. I have 2 Mac Minis and a Mac Studio. This Mac Mini right here is connected to this screen right here. Now this screen and this Mac Mini, this is the entire back end of everything. So my real estate business, my content creation channels, my communities, and other businesses that I'm working for. So you got GitHub, you got Railway, just to name a few things. Okay, so that is all specific to here. And I use Terminal, I use the desktop, I also use the browser extensions of Claude on this. Now, if you don't know what a back end means and you're new here, just use this screen for example. What we see is the front end, but what powers this screen and allows these pixels to show this picture, that's what's on the back end. When you look at a website, the website itself is the front end. The back end is what allows the website to appear that way and how the website actually operates. So with any website or with any business, with any app, there's always a back end where it's just a bunch of numbers that are computing. That's what allows the website to actually be used and have features. So everything back end is on this Mac Mini. Moving around, this monitor and this monitor and this monitor are all connected to the Mac Studio. The Mac Studio is actually back there. And just so that you all can see, so that's my Mac Studio and that is the other Mac Mini. Now this is, or the Mac Studio is the main everything. Now I have all my MCPs connected to this Claude. I have OpenAI, Perplexity. I have a lot of MCPs that are all connected to the Claude on this computer. And I also use this computer, as you can see here, this is ChatGPT. I also use this computer to make thumbnails, make content, but this is the main Claude everything. So everything starts here and then it gets pushed over here as all of these computers are connected. Now, this one right here has its own Mac Mini. Now, for the most part, I use this one for front end stuff. And also I use it for my swing trading. And this is actually right here. All of this stuff is built by Claude. Okay. Claude is telling me which trades to take in the crypto market, but this is also connected to a Mac Mini, everything front end. So what the website actually looks like, right? The front end, how it's designed, all of that stuff is done on this computer in addition to me programming Claude when it comes to, my swing trading and investment stuff. Now this desk is a standing desk. As you can see right here, it's a standing desk. So I can raise this up and down. Now this is what my mic connects to right here. As you can see the gain hopping up and down because I'm talking. Now this is my Stream Deck. I can actually use this to jump from screen to screen, browser, Claude, terminal, anything that I'm doing by just pressing buttons right here. Now I have 3 keyboards, 3. I really only need one because all of these are connected. So I can use one keyboard for all 3 computers. Now, as you can see here, I actually had to modify this desk. There's still some dust here from when I was drilling. So I had to drill holes for this keyboard to operate. And then also for this, because this desk wasn't originally designed to have monitors like this. As you can see, the edges aren't flat. So putting a monitor clamp on here didn't work. So I just drill holes on both sides to have this. Okay. And these are cheap lights off of Amazon. They can be used as desk lights, but they can also be used, for content creation. Now this thing is actually a teleprompter and you can see my camera's connected to it, but it also works as a screen. So sometimes I'll put things up there just depending on what I'm doing with Claude, or I may put Gemini in this window, and then I got Claude working in this window if I'm working on like thumbnails, and I'll pit Gemini and Claude against each other and bounce the same thumbnail back and forth, or whatever artwork that I'm using. So that's pretty much the setup. Again, this is everything back end, and then over here everything front end. And again, lastly, this is the main brain. This is the main Claude right here. This is where all of my MCP lives. This is where a lot of the files are. This is where the main stuff is. Everything starts here, and then I move it over, and then it gets stored and finished on this side on this computer.
All right, so that's it. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, I'll put the equipment list in the description for you all to check out. Make sure you drop a comment and let me know what your current setup is right now. Do you have a laptop, a desktop? Are you only using your phone? It doesn't matter. I just want to know where you're starting from. I read every comment, and I'll see you in the next video.